If you're planning to buy the iPhone 18 Pro this year, you might want to pause, because Apple's 2026 lineup is making big moves, but not all of them are instant upgrades. In fact, there are 9 solid reasons why waiting could be the smarter choice, instead of spending big right now. First, let's talk design. The iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to look almost identical to the iPhone 17 Pro. Same titanium feel, same triple camera bump, same display sizes, 6.3 inches for the Pro and 6.9 inches. For the Pro Max, there's talk about a slightly transparent MagSafe ring, but in reality, if you own the 17 Pro, you're not going to see much difference holding the 18 Pro in your hand. Apple is clearly saving the major redesign for later. Next, the whole dynamic island situation. Rumors have been everywhere. Under-display Face ID, no cutouts, full-screen future. But most reliable reports say Apple will only make the dynamic island smaller, not eliminate it. So if you're waiting for the first truly full-screen iPhone, this probably isn't the year. Apple is moving toward that future, just not at the pace some leaks suggested. Now performance. Yes, the iPhone 18 Pro gets the brand new A20 Pro chip. Sounds powerful, and it will be, especially for on-device AI and Apple Intelligence features. But in raw, everyday speed, don't expect a dramatic leap from the A19 Pro in the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple is shifting from pure performance to smart performance. Great long-term, but again, not an upgrade or regret moment for most users right away. Then there's the modem. Apple plans to introduce its own C2 modem for faster, more efficient 5G. But this is first-generation hardware, and if there's one thing Apple history teaches us, it's that the first version of a new chip can come with bugs, connection issues, and firmware updates. If you want ultra-stable 5G, you may prefer to let Apple fine-tune this tech for one more year. On the camera side, Apple is rumored to switch to a brand new Samsung triple-layer image sensor for better low-light performance and richer colors. That sounds incredible. But early-generation camera sensors often require tuning. If photography is your main priority, you might actually get more consistent results waiting for year 2 of this hardware. Speaking of cameras, Apple is working on something big. Variable aperture on the main 48-megapixel camera. This means better control over depth of field, better night shots, and DSLR-style background blur. Amazing idea. But again, first-gen execution. Apple usually perfects their camera breakthroughs a year after introducing them. The iPhone 19 might be the true winner in this category. Now, here's the futuristic part. Satellite internet for full data access, not just emergency messaging. Imagine being able to use the internet anywhere on the planet. No